Hi guys, in front of me is NOKIA, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, unlock your phone, then open Menu, select Settings, and here go to Personalization. Now mark Dim, and here you can customize it. Just mark to select, then go to lock screen background, and you can either choose one from Wallpapers album or choose something from your own gallery. Let me choose some wallpaper from the album, for example this one. Tap on confirmation mark to apply, and that's it. So we applied wallpaper, we applied theme, and now you can smoothly use it on your device. Obviously then you can change it, you can switch it whenever you want. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.